I made compounds, especially to revitalize and to cleanse. One of them in particular, we have here, that you see there. They were made to energize and to treat the central nerve system. There is a policeman by the name of Mark. Mark come by and he buy the Viento, and he said, Dr. Sebi, do you know that Viento, since I've been taking the Viento, I can't make an arrest. I went to a family squabble. You know what I did? I said, what? I asked them to allow me to go in the house and sit down. And I began counseling the man and the woman, and I left, and everything was all right. He said, why are you doing that? Because the Viento just chilled him out. Then he goes to the Mort Park, where there's a bunch of brothers gathered, talking whatever they was talking about. He said, you all need to have a bottle of Viento. I'm going to pull up. We already have ours. So it is there. We also have a salve that is very effective for your knees, pains, and whatever it aches. It's there. So we put these things together, knowing that we left our food back home. So I traveled back home, and I got herbs, compounded, and they working.